What is the difference between an app and an APK?
Hello everyone! Today, we'll be embarking on a fascinating journey into the digital universe as we explore a commonly asked question. What is the difference between an app and an APK? We'll break this down in easy-to-understand terms, so by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of these two concepts. Let's dive right in.
What is an app?
An app, short for application, is a piece of software designed to perform specific tasks for the user. These tasks range from simple functions like setting an alarm on your phone, to complex activities like playing games or using social media platforms. Apps are what make our smartphones smart, allowing us to carry out an impressive range of activities directly from our devices. Apps are usually downloaded and installed from application marketplaces such as Google's Play Store or Apple's App Store. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface where you can browse, select, and download your desired apps.
What is an APK?
On the other hand, APK stands for Android Package Kit. It is the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware. It's similar to the .x files you'd use to install programs on a Windows computer. In simpler terms, APKs are like the raw files of an app, which Android uses to install the application on your device. When you download an app from the Google Play Store, you're actually downloading an APK file that your device then installs.
The key differences.
So, what are the key differences between an app and an APK? 1. Use and purpose. An app is the software that you interact with on your device. In contrast, an APK is the installation file for that software. 2. Visibility. When you use an app on your Android device, you interact with its user interface and functionalities. However, you won't directly interact with the APK file. It operates behind the scenes to install the app onto your device. 3. Distribution. Apps are typically distributed through app stores like Google Play or Apple's App Store. However, APK files can be distributed and shared outside of these platforms. This makes them useful for app developers and users who want to install apps not available on the standard app marketplaces, but it also comes with increased security risks. Remember, while it can be useful to install APKs, it's important to only do so from trusted sources to avoid compromising your device's security. That brings us to the end of our video. Now you should have a better understanding of the differences between an app and an APK. Remember, while an APK can be seen as the behind-the-scenes installation file for an Android app, it's the app itself that you interact with on your device. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious and continue exploring the fascinating world of technology.